I bet you're gonna be surprised when I tell you this. I love to tailgate. Oh yeah, I love to tailgate at the stadium, at home. If I have tickets or not, I love to tailgate. Why? Well, we're talking about food, we're talking about friends, we're talking about having fun, we're talking about beverages. When you have superstar chef buddies like this, they come up to the ranch and you say, I want to take tailgate to another level, you know I'm gonna win. The TOC Season 2 champ, Maneet Chauhan, what's on the menu?
So I'm going to be making pork vindaloo walking taco pie. And I'm going to be making some football-shaped whoopie pies.
All right, so what are you making? I see that we have little designs. Did you draw, are these your footballs?
Yes, here.
Okay, these are not footballs. That scares me. That's really, is that what you think of the great American sport?
Rugby.
Is that? All right, let's make someone sat on a soccer ball. Okay, so what are you making?
Tailgating is all about football, right? And whoopie pies shaped as footballs, that is the perfect dish for any tailgating party. So the first thing that I do is I cream some brown sugar and butter and add eggs one by one. Then I go ahead and sift some cocoa powder, some flour, a generous portion of cayenne pepper.
Holy cayenne, Batman.
You need a little bit of a kick.
Did you see this?
I saw it, it was gnarly.
Garam masala, which is an Indian blend of spices. Put some baking powder, baking soda in it, salt. So I go ahead and slowly take all the dried ingredients and put it in with the butter, egg, and sugar mixture. Let everything come together. Then I take that mixture, put it in piping bags, and I have traced out mini footballs on parchment paper, and then I go ahead and pipe those footballs and fill it up. I pop the cookies into the oven for around 10 to 15 minutes at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. To make the filling, I go ahead and take some cream cheese and some vanilla paste, some confectioner's sugar and some butter, and just a touch of garam masala, and just whisk everything together till it's light and fluffy. So it's going to be like a sandwich.
Oh, a sandwich. I didn't know we were having sandwich.
After I take the cookies out, I let the cookies cool. Then I make a glaze with a confectioner's sugar and cocoa powder and put that over half of the cookies. Once the glaze is set, it's time to make the footballs. I make the football laces with the filling mixture. I go ahead and put the garam masala cream cheese whipped filling in the center of the cookies and then put the top right on top and make the perfect sandwiches.
All right, Maneet. The boys have done pretty well, I'm telling you.
I agree with you.
I mean, you are the TOC champ, but I don't want to say anything right now. What do you got?
I am just getting all the components ready for the walking taco pie. The first step is to make the Vindaloo base. I take red chilies, fenugreek seeds, mustard seeds, black peppercorn. I put some cumin in it and some cardamom powder. I take some yellow onions, slice them, and deep fry them. Then I take the toasted spices, put it in a blender along with ginger, garlic, the deep fried onions, and blend this and make this into a really fine paste. So I heat some oil and I put the ground pork in the pan with salt and pepper and just cook it for a few minutes. I put some tomato paste. Then I take the spice onion mixture I have made. That goes into the pan along with a little bit of water, and I cover it and let it cook. In the meantime, I'm making the mango pico de gallo. So I start by using mango, which has this beautiful sweet and tart flavor to it. I am using cucumber, jicama, peppers, some jalapeno, ginger, and a hefty dash of lime. Now it's time to build the pork vindaloo walking taco pie by putting some corn chips at the base of a bowl. Then I put a ladle of the pork vindaloo. Tamarind chutney has that sweet and tart quality to it. Then I go ahead and put the pico de gallo. Then I put some queso fresco, which I have crumbled right on top. And that's it. The walking taco pie is ready.
There we go.
There we go.
Walking street nacho, Vindaloo style. And the Vindaloo pork, what else?
Tamarind chutney, so it has a little bit of sweetness, tartness. There is the mango pico de gallo, and some queso fresco.
It was the great crunch of the chip, the spicy vindaloo, but the key was the salsa. The mango salsa was so crispy and bright and fresh and sweet, and it saved you because that vindaloo got some smoke on it. I mean, it was dynamite. Whoopie. Oh, we got the whoopie pie.
Yes,
oh,
the whoopie pie.
Forgot about these. Look at them. You decorated them so cute. I don't ever focus on menus for the dessert necessarily, but she really took a lot of time. And it really looked good. I mean, it was a very well executed dessert. Go and grab these recipes at foodnetwork.com/GuysRanchKitchen, and then you can do this